backup and restore your data with Azure Backup Services. In this video, I will show you how to backup Azure Web Apps. During this video, I will cover the following: configure backup on Azure Web App, manually backup Azure Web App, restore Azure Web App from backup. By default, backup is not enabled on Azure Web Apps and require configuration and set up storage account. In this example, I will create an empty Node.js web app and configure backup. I will go ahead and create the Node.js application. Once deployed, I will wait for the deployment process to finish and configure backup. Once the application has been deployed, I will click on it and start the backup configuration. From the web app page, I will click on Backups. To start the configuration process, I will click on Configure. The first step in the backup configuration is to set up a storage account to backup the data to. I will go ahead and click on Storage Settings. From the Storage Accounts page, I have the option to create a new storage account or use existing one. I will go ahead and use existing storage account. Next, I will enable backup schedule. I will also set the retention days to 7. When I'm happy with the configuration, I will click Save. Once backup is done, I will go ahead and run a manual backup using the Backup button. Below, I can monitor the progress of the backup. As you can see, the backup job finished successfully. I will go ahead and start a restore job. To restore my web app, I will click on the Restore button. Next, I will select the backup from the drop-down menu and click OK. To start the restore process, I will click OK. As you can see, the restoration job was successful. In this video, I used the features below.